Good morning once again. Today I would like to share to you how to divide simple fraction. I have here two examples. 4/5 divided by 1/3. So copy 4/5, then change the operation to multiplication symbol. Okay, then get the inverted form of 1/3. So 1/3 inverted form or the reciprocal is 3/1. Then proceed to multiplication. Okay, so 4 times 3 equals 12 over 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, so 12 over 5 is improper fraction. So you have to change this one into a mixed number. So to change this one, you have to divide 12 divided by 5. Okay, 12 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 5 equals 10. Then subtract 2. Okay, so the answer is 2 and 2/5. Okay, 2. So the quotient will be the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator. Then the divisor will be the denominator. Okay, so the final answer is 2 and 2/5. Okay, the second example, 1/7 divided by 3/4. Okay, copy 1/7, then multiply, change this one into this, then get the reciprocal of 3/4 will be 4/3. Okay, multiply both numerator. 1 times 4 equals 4 over 7 times 3 equals 21. So 4/21, there's no number that can divide both numbers. So the final answer is 4/21. So yung ana ra gyud nakasimple ang pag-divide sa fraction. Okay? Thank you.